Dear students, in our previous class, we have discussed about the basic operations of one-dimensional array. Now, in this class, every operation individually we are going to discuss. Basic operations of one-dimensional array. So the first one is here, traversing. So as we have discussed in our previous class, traversing means accessing each element of an array or each data item of an array exactly once is called as traversing. But in detail today we are going to discuss. So we can write this traversing as traversing is the process of visiting each subscript at least once from the beginning to the last element. So we take an example here: A, B, C, D. 5 data items of an array are here. Their address is given by A of 0, A of 1, sorry, this is subscript, A of 2, A of 3, and A of 4. Okay. Then address could be like this: 100, 101, 102, 103, 104. Okay. Traversing. Here, traversing is the process of visiting each subscript at least once from beginning to the end. So you have to know that these things are called as subscript. Okay. Then these are elements, and this is address. Okay. Address means this, elements, then subscript. Here, this is a process where we will try to visit every subscript: A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4. Like this, we will visit every subscript from first to the last element. So this type of process and this type of operation, we can call it as traversing. Okay. Traversing means it is a process where each subscript, every subscript, without missing any subscript, okay, each subscript visiting at least once. Okay, it may be more than once also, but in traversing, condition is that we need to visit every subscript at least one time. Okay, without leaving any subscript or any element from starting to the last element of an array: A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4, and n number of elements may be, and also n number of subscripts may be. Okay, so we need to visit every subscript at least one. That is called as traversing in one-dimensional array. This is the first operation which is called as traversing. So next one, come to the second one. Searching. Second one is the searching. Okay. What is meant by searching in general? Generally, searching means finding something. If you want to find something, okay, we will try to search that thing. That is called as searching, accessing, finding. Okay, is called as searching in general. Here also, searching means it refers to find, to finding the location, finding the location of an element, of an element in a linear array, in a linear array. Okay. Searching means, okay, in general, you have already know that to find something, then we will start searching. But here in a linear array, that means one dimensional array. Okay. Searching refers to finding the location of an element. Location, I have already shown you. Okay, A, B, C, D. Okay. If you want to find the location of any array, take this as A of 0, A of 1, okay, A of 2, A of 3. And the address might be 1000, 1001, 1002, and 1002. Okay. If you want to find the location of C, where the C is located, then we will do the operation searching. Okay. Location of C means it is situated in the address 1002. Okay. Location of C. So here it refers to finding the location of an element in a linear array. Linear array means one dimensional array. It may be single row or the single column. Okay. So in this type of array, if you want to find the location of any element at that time, okay, location of any element at that time, we will use the operation searching. In searching, there are many methods and many algorithms are there. But basically in your syllabus, we will going to discuss two types of searching. One is linear search, linear search, and the second one is binary search. Linear search and binary search. These are the two important types of searching in your syllabus, included in your syllabus. Now, searching has two types of searching. That is, one is linear searching, another one is binary searching. So now you are clear about this, that to find the location of any element, we will use searching in linear array. So let us discuss these two types. One is linear searching, another one is binary search. So now we are discussing in detail the basic operation. The first one here is linear search or under searching. The second one is binary search. Come, we shall see how the linear search will work and how the binary search will work. Okay, when we going to discuss, when we discuss these two things, then you come to know what is the difference between linear and binary. Both are searching itself. This is also a searching, and binary searching also a searching. Both are searching. If you want to search the same element using these two searching techniques, so what is the difference between these two techniques? Now we are going to discuss. Come, we shall see how can we use linear search and binary search to find an element. First one, linear search. Linear search. So I will make two parts here so that you can understand clearly. Okay. Linear search. This is the simplest method. This is the simplest method. This is the simplest method in which the element is to be searched. The element is to be searched is compared with each element of an array one by one from the beginning till the end of an array. Okay, one more point is there. Since searching is done one after the other, okay, one after the other, so it is also called as sequential searching. Okay. Now you need to understand one thing here in linear searching. That is, it is the simplest method in which the element is to be searched is compared with each element. Okay. Now I will take one example here. How can we take? Just I will take like this: A, B, C, D, E. This is as A of 0, okay, then A of 1, then A of 2, then A of 3, then A of 4. Okay, it may be 1000, 1001, 1002, 1003, and 1004. Okay, this is 3 and 4. Okay. We will try to apply the linear search for this one dimensional array, that is linear array. What the condition here? The condition here is each element, the element is to be searched. Okay, is the element which we want to search is compared with each element of an array one by one. Okay, from the beginning till the end of an array. Okay, now I am going to search the element C. Okay, look here. If you look here clearly, then only you will going to understand the two searching techniques. Otherwise, you will get confused and you cannot able to understand the difference between the linear and binary search. Here the condition is that the element is to be searched is compared with each element of an array one by one, okay, from the beginning till the end of an array. Now I want to search C, the element C. At the time, what will happen here under linear search? First, C is compared with A. Either C is equal to A. Okay? Either C is equal to A. Okay? Just like in our first PUC, we did the flow chart. Okay? Here, if this is if statement. Okay? If C is equal to A. Okay? Then if it is yes, okay, then if it is no, what it will print here? If it is yes, okay, doing comparison here, C is equal to A, comparing C with A, first element, okay. If C is equal to A, if it is yes, then we will get the result A, C. Otherwise, we will get here C is not equal to A. Okay, right? And at the same time, after searching this, then C will be compared with B. Is C equal to B? This is not equal to A. Okay, then is C equal to B? Then if here also C is equal to B, if yes, answer will be right. Otherwise, it will be printed here C is not equal to B. C is not equal to B. Okay, then C is again compared with C. C is again compared with C. If C is equal to C, okay, then it will print yes, C is equal to C. Like that, here answer will become right. Even after getting the right answer, it will search one by one from the beginning till the end of an array. When we get the answer also, the linear search will search and it will continue its searching and it will compare the element with every element. This it will again search is C equal to D, like this. Okay, C is not equal to D, so it will print here like this. C is not equal to D. Again, it will be compared with E. Either C is equal to E. No, C is not equal to E. C is not equal to E here. Now the search has been completed. How can we say the search has been completed? Because the element which we want to search, okay, that is element C. Okay, now C has compared with A and it is compared with B, it is compared with C, compared with D and compared with E. No more elements are left in the array. So like this, the linear search will compare the given element. The element is to be searched. It will compare with each element of an array one by one from the beginning till the end array. Okay, even after getting the right answer, linear search will continue its searching. Then after that, finally it will come to end of an array, and then it will going to stop its searching. This method is called as linear searching. So here it will search sequentially one after the other. Okay, it will not search as first it will search B or it will search D or it will search C, like that. It will not do like that. Here linear search means it will search the element sequentially one after the other. So this type of searching here, searching is done one after the other. So it is also called as sequential searching. Remember this thing. This is most important for your examination. You may get a question. Okay, which searching is called as linear searching, or you may get the twisted question like this: explain linear searching. At the time you will get confused. Okay, which is linear searching? Sequential searching. So remember that linear search itself is called as sequential searching. Question may be twisted and asked, define sequential searching or write about sequential searching, like that. Okay, then you have to write only the linear search. And you may be asked why linear search is also called as sequential searching. Then you have to write only this point, since searching is done one after the other, so linear searching is also called as the sequential searching. Okay, this is about the linear search. Now come to the second method, that is binary searching. Okay, we will search the same element in the same array, but little bit different compared to linear search. Binary search. Okay. Now, how can we define this? When the elements of an array are in sorted order, at the time the best method of searching is binary search. Okay, remember this. When the elements of an array are in sorted order, okay, okay, the best method of searching is binary search. How this binary search will going to work? So, okay, now we need to understand the thing. Okay, here, this is second point. This method compares the element to be searched with the middle element of an array. Okay, of an array. If the comparison does not match, does not match the element is searched, either at the right half of the array or at the left half of the array. The left half of the array. Okay, listen here, students. Okay, when the elements are in sorted order. Sorted order means, okay, sequential order, A, B, C, D, E, one after the other, as in sorted form. A, after that B, then after that C, then D, then E. Then at that time, the best method of searching is the binary search here. Okay, I have to explain like this. So what is the rule of binary searching in linear searching? Okay, I'm going to linear search. In linear searching, C is compared with every element. Okay, even after getting the right answer also, right result also, it will continue its searching till the end. But here in binary search, okay, the element to be searched, okay, we will take C as a searching element. It is compared with the middle element of the array. First of all, in binary search, the element which is to be searched, okay, which we want to search, that element is compared with first middle element of an array at first. Okay, if the answer is right, okay, then it will stop its searching. Okay, or if we will take, we want to search E, okay, in binary search. So in binary search, first, what is the first thing? The element is compared with middle element of an array. Okay, if the answer is right, then binary search will stop its searching. First, it will search with middle element of an array. Okay, at that time, if the element is not equal to the searched element, okay, when it does not get any answer, any right result, at that time what it will do, it will continue its searching at the right of an array, the elements left at the right portion. Okay, first it will compare with middle element. If it does not get result as E, or the element which is to be searched is not compared with this element, okay, at that time what it will do, it will search its searching at, continue its searching at the right half of an array, the elements which are left at the right side from the middle point, it will search, continue its searching. Okay, then if it gets the right answer, okay, then it will stop. Okay, otherwise we will search A. Okay, then it will compare with middle. Okay, if it does not get the right result, what it will do, it will continue to its right portion, it will search at the right half of an array. From middle, it will search the elements which are left at the right side of an array. Okay, then also if it does not get its result, okay, as A, then it will continue to left half of an array, the elements left at the left side of an array, it will continue to search at the left portion of an array, and finally it will get its answer. Okay, here condition is that the element which is to be searched is compared with the middle element. If it does not get it answer, then it will search at right half of an array, the elements left at right side from the middle point, it will search. Then also if it does not get its result, exact result, then it will continue its searching to the left half of an array. It means from middle point, how many elements left at, how many elements are remaining at the left side of an array, it will start searching till it get the answer, and finally it will get its answer as A. Okay, hope you have understood this. The element which is to be searched is compared with the middle element. Look here, with the middle element. Okay, the method compare, this method compare the element to be searched with the middle element. First, it will search with middle element. If the comparison does not match, if A does not match with C, whether it will match? No. Then at the time what it will do, the element is searched either at the right half of an array, then it will start searching at the right side of the middle point. Then also if it does not get the result, okay, or at the left half of an array, what it will do, it will search the elements or the data items remaining at the left side of an array. Okay, like that it will search. Okay, and finally till it get the answer, binary search will continue its searching. First it will compare to middle point, then it will search at its right side, then it will search at its left side. This is the difference. Okay, in linear search, element is compared with every element till the end. If it get answer, then also it will continue its searching till the end. But in binary search, element is compared with middle element. Then if it does not match, then it continues searching at the right half. Okay, the elements which are remaining at the right hand side. Even though it will not get its correct match, then it will search, continue its searching at left side of an array till it get its result to be matched. So dear students, I think you have understood traversing and searching. In searching, there are two types, that is linear search and binary search. Hope you have understood this, dear students. And the remaining operations, basic operations of linear array, we shall going to be discussed in our next class. If you have any doubts regarding these searching techniques, you can ask me personally. Thank you.